people call this the waffle stitch, and you can see why. So what you want to do, you can see it more on this side. Look how cute that is. So what you want to do is cast on your stitches a multiple of 3 plus 1 for each edge. And so I have 21 plus 2, I have 23. So what you want, and you need to use about 2 sizes larger needle than what the yarn calls for. So this is a number 4 worsted yarn, and I'm using 10.5 knitting needles. So let's see this. So what you want to do is the first row you cast on your stitches, and then the first row you purl, but only that row. That's the setup row. And then from now on, make believe that I just cast it on my stitches, and I will do the following. I am going to knit 1, and then these 3 stitches, the 3 of them together, that's why you need to knit that row very softly, because you need to pick up these 3 stitches together, knit them through the back of the stitches. So bring it out, bring the yarn to the front to make a yarn over, and knit the 3 stitches together again. And now you can take them off. So let's do that again. You're going to pick up those 3 stitches together and knit them, yarn over, so these 3 are still there, so yarn over and pick up those 3 stitches together again. So you see how tight it can become. So there we are. Now you can take them off. Okay, so try to make them a little larger if you need to. So pick them up from the back and you knit them, yarn over, which is bringing your yarn to the front, and then knit those 3 together again. And here we are. And then again you're going to knit 3 together, yarn over, and you knit those 3 together again. So always knit the row before this very softly, so that these 3 stitches can be easily picked up. So knit, yarn over, and knit them again. And then again pick up those 3 stitches, yarn over, and pick them up again, knit them together again. Whoops. Okay, and here we are. So again we have those 3 stitches, knit them together, yarn over, knit them together again, and then the last one you knit. Okay, so here we are, and then on the way back, which is row number 2, and you just repeat those 2 rows. You're going to knit the whole row, and that's it. But do it very softly, because see, you're going to have to pick up those stitches, and you saw that it's, you really need to have them nice and soft. So, and this is a fun stitch because you can make a scarf and it looks nice on both sides. See how cute that is. It becomes a little bit thick because you're knitting three stitches together, so I do recommend it for a scarf or a small blanket. So there we are. That's it. Only those 2 rows, and this is how it looks. This is one side, and this is the other side. And you bind off on the knit side when you knit the whole row. So thank you very much for watching. Please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.